045.
Descend now.
Liner 14 to left heading 045.
Contact level 330.
Okay, Fishery A legend. Category 2 Fishery, contact radar 126, 845.
Descend to 3,000 feet. Right heading 290 and 3,000 feet.
Fishery 50 or level 370 advance.
Eric, test climb 350.
Station 970, climb level 350, which line is that?
Climb 350, expired by 970.
Shuttle 646, shut direct Enva.
Direct Enva. On radar identify and maintain flight level 120. If you can 644, descend to flight level 110. Flight level 110, down 644. Level 310, reaching by the next 3 minutes, cut base 501. Contact radar 118.902. 118 base 192, 246, good day. 3502, return contact radar 118.902. 118.992, 11802, hyperdeer.
Level 330.
Traffic level 330, wing 246.
Shuttle 106, Taipei Control, Roger, descend maintain flight level 210.
560 on flight level 290. 020, generation 29 airport.
Southern ground, good afternoon.
Descend now.
AA15.
410 can verify
QNH101A.
316, for any convert metro. 250 knots.
Route.
So A1 copy, Taipei approach 12845.
1270, maintain maximum speed on PA for the notice. Airport 去runway 25, net information clear round.
Great, this is A7 from heading 260, reachable speeding. Sun 150, contact sign control 132.65. Airplane 7 Dino 5. Sun 150, contact sign control 132.65.
Toronto A1, descend air maintenance, flight level 150. Descend maintain 1000, QNH 1018.
200 by Cobra.
Reduce speed to minimum clean speed, sequence number 2. Bohemia 618, contact local control 127, decimal.
Animal 900.
What is required by Lido 86?
21018. Ohio.
290 initially.
Heading 2990, vector for spacing.
Lido 86. Roger.
Region 3 by 3, check your transmitter.
On a board, the next one is attack.
Flight level 140.
Turkish 7 on a board, the next one is.
The 1270, you can resume normal speed. Now 16 heavy type airport 去 radar contact, climb maintain 7000. Legacy 2171, reduce speed to 230 knots.
China Southern A301, Project APCAL.
China Southern A301, contact China 122, pressure 130.2.
China 130.2, China Southern A301, today.
Clear Sierra 7 Alpha arrival. Heavy for your squawk.
Clear Sierra 7 Alpha arrival.
Station 976 unidentified. Maintain flight level 190, speed 280 knots.
Here's flight level 190, speed 280 knots, personnel 1769. 2000 feet, clear the pilot, runway 07 left, passing 363.
07, maintain 160 knots at 25 AMU.
216.
This is the primary return at leg 1 knots.
上次的5 Delta, distance 3000 feet, speed 210 knots.
是那一次也没吃爽，就是因为那个
Good to Alpha, you are
小飞场970。
因为它会分两个。
34 spurs, 1 speed not equal radar until within that area.
然后
Number 4, turn left heading 030, vector for the approach.
它不会开呀。
35, kilometer 7,000.
我跟你讲，你如果错过的，就是你带过去的时候，它的光是白，它应该关起来侧贴。
Number 34, contact the approach 125, instrument speed.
对，在这个。
Running back, travel continue at Richmond, South train, space July
你想的话，它在跑。
Purposeful railway line service.
然后你可以出发，然后去那个。
available 240, cancel 250, not be restriction.
I'm available 240, not
Charlie East 2007, contact radar 123, base mode 905 today.
Radar 123,
So follow 130 and say get the last one. Identified, stand by for higher. China 74007, cover the car tower on 18640.
China Eastern 2961 Hong Kong radar identified clear, Sierra Mike Tango 4 Alpha arrival.
Sierra Mike Tango 4 Alpha arrival, China Eastern 2961.
Sherman Air 817 contact radar 132.15.
3215, Sherman Air 817, good day. For contact tower, 18847.
Hong Kong radar, roger, identify, confirming ping level 410.
That's a firm maintain 410, event 266.
Roger, radar contact. Has speed 300 knots.
For A921?
That's for A921 is Sarah
Yeah, 3921. Macau 108, confirm any speed restrictions.
And Macau 108 and is on maintaining your speed.
Copy, maintaining speed at Macau 108. In that case, we are not able to reach level 880 by Joseph.
And Macau 108, roger, cancel speed.
Macau 108. Good day, Connector, perfect. Thank you, standing by level T1, down at T915.
6821 Hong Kong radar, confirm flight level T006
对，
1074.
高一点，对。
for 3821.
6821 Hong Kong radar, identify, and advisory top level.
That's flight level 40004
对，高一点，高一点。
6821 copy request maintain flight level T80 standby.
This is flight level 30 standby for 831. On the radar, good afternoon, China East 508. 130 climbing, flight level 220.
China Eastern 508 climb flight level 280 standby line.
Climb flight level 280, China East 508.
And Macau 108 flight heading 095.
Flight heading 095, Macau 108. Hong Kong radar, Cathay 500, climbing level 350.
Cathay 500, climb flight level 350.
Climb level 350, Cathay 500.
10.
Do you have a recommended speed?
Traffic 65 speed on descent 2990 knots.
Speed on distance 2900 on the 65. Climb size to 90,000 feet, cancel altitude restrictions and hold back altitude. Clear to 9,000 feet, cancel altitude restriction at 766. Air China 766, cancel the 5,000 feet restrictions and hold back. Boy now, 309, and I will be sending for 30, Philippine 357.
Cathay 542, 50 available.
Cathay 542, that's not available due to on-bridge spacing. Maintain flight level 310 on-bridge.
Maintain flight level 310, Cathay 542.
Later, turn heading 290, descend to 2,000 feet.
Later heading to 900, call Macau 826.
Macau 826.
Did you confirm our final level?
Macau 826, flight level 330, final level.
Faulty.
For Friday, are able flight level 360.
305, 149 of flying green.
Bermuda 52, Roger, maintain present speed of wind.
Pressure at 149 of flying green.
Cathay 391, contact Toronto, 119 of flight.
495
Jet 985, please be 2250 knots.
Oh, wait, that's 905.
Jet 985, contact approach 198.1.
901, wait, that's 905, bye.
For India 6299, contact approach 198.1.
119.1, boy, yeah. 7 request system. 5,000.
Jet 985, Hong Kong approach, climb to 7,000 feet.
9,000, wait, that's 905. Approach, good afternoon, boy, yeah. 600 level 110. Please.
Gemini X04, descend, turn right heading 010.
Three decimal 475, is it 3733, good day. Just get a 031 out the time, 1,000 feet. Get a 840 climb by the shifted feet. Shifted to 9,000 feet, get a request.
Cathay 5 feet, descend to 4,000 feet with